Got it. Oh, red bear!
What?
Bear, don't go through all the jungle, man. You're gonna come back with poison ivy all over you. What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us on our 6th installment from our GULCHES off-road adventure trip, not including the mud hole fiasco. And today we've got on deck Baby Gulch Bypass, Shipwreck, and some good old-fashioned family fun, so stick around. Here we are at the start of Baby Gulch Bypass because we're baby back. You know what? Baby Gulch was a bit too narrow for this big behemoth. Style points. There you go. You should be good now. More of that. A little bit. Just make it lower for the next person. That's all. Just drag a little bit. Here is the start of the real trail, not the bypass like we took. And this is Ernie in his 4-door Bronco, and he does great. Here is Danny in her 2-door Wrangler Sport, 35s with a 2-inch lift, and even her rig looks big in this little trail. Here is Sven in his 2-door Wrangler Rubicon, 37s, and even his rig looks big in this little narrow trail.
Driver, now you're straight.
And finally, Gavin in his 4-door Wrangler Rubicon that makes this trail look even more small and narrow.
Shipwreck.
Welcome to Shipwreck, as we watch Rob Bloodworth show us how it's done.
Nicely done, man. Adam, you're next. You're next, Adam.
Just holding on till I can get it home and fix it.
Okay.
Yep.
JB Weld.
Yeah, maybe a little JB Weld.
Hit a Shipwreck on the way out.
Yeah, I think so. I think I'm ready to back it up.
Hi.
Now try to keep it pointed uphill as much as possible. Try to get some RPM in those tires. Back up just a little bit. Alright? There's that hole that your back tires were in, you want to bump through that. And you can kind of see how I ended up over here about 30 degrees out to the left.
So you have your mind?
Launch throttle. Back up. Alright, straighten up. There you go. About that line is where you need to be. Bump up, and then
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
Did he lose
Oh
the
yeah,
fender?
we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boy, you love with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation.
You didn't gummy her already, did you?
I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make
So does this one. watch, 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 watch. Can't, not right now. Watch.
Back up just a little bit. Subscribe for more of this. One more time, give it a little more up from there. That's about right, so if I can get your butt out the bottom. I just don't know how to do that part. Can't get up and come off of it.
Guys, thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for the Girl Squad in 5, 4, 3.
10 seconds, it says. Oh, it's coming in! Ah!
Oh, this is slick. Oh my goodness, there goes Bear. He just went flying by. Uh-oh. Careful. Where you going, Bear? Oh my goodness. Oh! Me stabby! Uh-oh.
Daddy, red eye was my
That's unfortunate.
hand.
Did you put your hand in a pile of mud? How come?
Okay, Daddy, is that was enough right there, that stick?
No.
Okay. So, this is slippery mud.
Yes, it's very slippery, guys.
Daddy, I wipe my fingers.
Oh, everyone observe the stick.
Daddy, how do I throw the length of my over to that side of the pond?
Okay.
Daddy, how do I wipe my hands?
Oh, good job.
Didn't make it.
Almost.
What?
Bear, don't go through all the jungle, man. You're gonna come back with poison ivy all over you. What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. A little adventure. Hey, Reggie. This is slippery. Come on, Reggie. Come on. Up you go. Okay. Up you go. Good. And then. Whee! Okay, be careful, Reggie. Oh, it's beautiful here. You guys found this? That's so cool. Yes, it is beautiful. You're right on the water, man.
been wanting to show you.
Beautiful. Thank you for showing me.
I did the skip rock.
Oh yeah, you did.
How do I do that?
You gotta throw it at an angle like this.
I have no idea how I just did that.
Okay. Show me the wrist flip. The wrist flick. Not like this. Not like a velociraptor. Like this, Chan. But step into it, man. You know? Flick it. And flick the wrist. Go. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. This is the Reedy River. You know that?
It is?
Mr. Wee's River.
This is a good rock to do it.
Yeah?
You can put it in the pond. Like this, Daddy?
Yep. Oh, you did it. High five, girl. Got it. Nice work. I'm coming. Oh my goodness, Bear is completely soaked. Bear, I love you, dude, but I have one towel. Oh, dude, come on. Bear, you are gonna be in big trouble. No, no, sir.
I did it!
You did it?
Yeah!
And I missed it because I was getting mauled by a bear. Come on, Jagaroni. There you go.
Greg's is in 4-wheel drive.
Yes, she is. Ray, she's in 4-wheel low. There you go. Now stand up. Bear, you're not assisting. Thank you, though. Come on, Reggie. Come on, stand up. No, don't go in the hole. Ah! Okay. All right, go. You good? Good. Come on. Go.
We made it.
Almost.
It's our rock garden.
Oh, red bear! Come on, dude. You okay, Reggie? Ugh. You guys are gonna catch pneumonia. Climb the wall. That wasn't nice, Bear. That wasn't nice. It was a lady crossing. An old little Reggie. A little Reggie lady. All right.
Race now?
No, I'm not racing.
10 seconds, it says.